Autofill feature is used to fill cells with data that follows a pattern, or are based on data in other cells. It allows you to quickly fill a range of cells with a series of data or a repeated value. This can be especially useful when you need to enter a large number of similar values, or when you want to fill a range of cells with a series of numbers or dates. Fill down, fill right, fill left and fill up fills all the cells in given direction, with the same value. Fill series feature gives us options to fill rows or columns, with various options such as linear, growth, date, etc. Linear fill allows you to fill the rows or columns with a linear pattern. You can give it a value to stop it as well. Let's fill same values with linear pattern and growth pattern, and compare the results. The growth fill option allows you to fill the rows or columns with the growth pattern. Here, in linear pattern, Excel kept adding 2 in each value, while in growth pattern, Excel kept doubling the each value. Date option allows you to fill dates with patterns. Available patterns include day, weekday, month, and years. Day option fills the cells by adding days to date. Weekday option fills the cells by adding only the weekdays. Month fill option adds months to the date to fill the cells. Year fill option adds years, keeping both day and month the same. Flash fill adds the AI element to the fill options. It analyzes the existing pattern and applies that to the remaining fill range. For example, let's say we want to extract days from the list of dates here. The result is not as we wanted, because Excel failed to take the column A as dates. Convert the values to general and you can see how it came up with those values. It took the last value of each date in number format. Let's split the dates and recombine them using the flash fill option. Enter the first date, and then use flash fill to generate remaining dates. Let's enter some names, and using Flash Fill, alter those names in the next column. We will give the first name, as an example for Excel to follow. It did fill the data, but it also repeated the mistake we made in our example. Let's correct the mistake, and try to fill the range again. Now it correctly applied the pattern, and filled the range. The final option is the Fill Justify option. It is used to combine various cells into one cell. It only fills the width of the cell, then it moves to the next line. To combine all the words into one cell, we must increase the width of the cell. You can also use the Fill feature to fill another sheet. Select both sheets by using Ctrl key, and then press Across Worksheets button. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to ask any question, or leave feedback in the comments section.